So for this next one, we're going to type in the problem, the steps, and the solution. The whole thing can go in the equation editor. So again, you're going to hit that f of x button all the way to the right, and it takes you into the equation editor. And we're going to hit that slash button, the same button that has the question mark on it, and make our first fraction. So the question here was 2x squared, so 2x, then hit the squared button, and then move your arrow to the right to get out of the exponent. Minus 5x minus 3. And in the denominator, the question had x squared, so x to the second power, move the arrow to the right, minus 7x plus 12. So that was the original question. Now if you just click behind it, the cursor will move behind it, and we can put equals, and now move to the next step. So the next step would be to factor it. So I'm going to hit that fraction key again, make a fraction, and then write what it would be if I factored it. So the numerator would be parentheses 2x plus 1, close the parentheses, and then x minus 3. And then you just click into the denominator and type that one, which would be x minus 4, x minus 3. And again, move your cursor behind the fraction. You can either hit the right arrow or just click behind it. Click equals again, and now we're going to type our final answer. So we make a fraction one more time. In the numerator, since the x minus 3 is reduced, we're left with 2x plus 1. And in the denominator, we're left with that x minus 4. So we have everything right here. We did the whole problem, and when you submit it, it will look like this for your teacher. The problem, the work, and then the final answer. When I click done, remember it codes it. It's going to make it look pretty crazy. But if you highlight the whole thing and click f of x again, it's going to show you everything you just typed in.